Hi, in this video we want to talk about saving different versions of the same file into the same document. Let's suppose I have a first paragraph, so let's have a title first. Now I have the first paragraph, paragraph 1, okay? And now I want to save as version 1. We need to save. Then go to File, Versions, and here save as a new version. Version 1, paragraph 1. Okay. Okay, we can close this window. And now we are writing more, and we are at paragraph 2, and we want to save it because let's suppose we work some hours and we want to keep the project. We save. Now let's go to File, Versions, New Version, version 2, paragraph 2, and let's suppose we have finished paragraph 3, and let's suppose by mistake I remove all this paragraph, but I don't know at the moment. So version 3, a new version, version 3, paragraph 3. Okay, close. Now I found that I have a mistake, so I lose paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and I need to recover them. So File, Versions, and we can open. Okay, with double click you can go to that versions. So I can double click on paragraph 1. I have what I've saved. Then I go to version 2. I have just paragraph 1 and paragraph 2, and now I have paragraph 3 because this is what I have at the moment. It's the last version. So what I can do, I can go to version, the last version that was okay, so it's version 2. I copy my work. I go here. I arrange everything. I save it. And let's save it as version 4, a good version. So I know that I don't know what is here, but this is a very good version, and it's a good point to recover from here in the future. So if I'm saving again paragraph 4, saving and add a new version, version 5, I don't need to go here, here, and here. So what I can do, I can remove them. So I can keep it like that. I have a version 4, a good version, and I have now a version 5, and so on. So I can go from here in the future, and I know what I have. What you need to remember that each version, it's a complete version. So if your document is 1 megabyte, you will have 5 megabytes with 5 versions. So you need from time to time to remove versions that are not useful if you have a big project. And this way you can keep the document smaller. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.